Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Medical Surgical Nursing 2 question paper. This question paper was taken from Dr.Ntr University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year February 2021. This question paper is for third year Bsc Nursing students. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. This question paper is Medical Surgical Nursing 2. This is for third year Bsc Nursing 4YDC program, and the question paper code is 341 and the time allotted is 3 hours and the maximum marks is 75 marks. So here, as usual, this question paper has also 3 sessions, that is essay session, short note session and brief answer session. So essay session carries 30 marks, short notes carries 25 marks and brief answers carries 20 marks. So first we will see, write an essay on any two of the following. 2 into 15 is equal to 30 marks. First question, Mr. Ganesh admitted in casualty with head injury. So 1A, define head injury, which is for 2 marks, and 1B, list the clinical manifestations of head injury, 4 marks. 1C, write the management of patient with head injury, 9 marks. So I repeat the questions. 1A, define head injury. 1B, list the clinical manifestations of head injury. 1C, write the management of patients with head injury. So 2 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to 15 marks. Next we will see the second question. Mr. Prasad, 45 years, is admitted with complaints of eye pain and blurred vision and was diagnosed as glaucoma. Mr. Prasad, 45 years, is admitted with complaints of eye pain and blurred vision and was diagnosed as glaucoma. What is glaucoma? 2A is what is glaucoma? 2 marks. 2B, enumerate the different types of glaucoma. 2B, enumerate the different types of glaucoma, which is 4 marks. 2C, explain the medical and surgical management of glaucoma. 2C, explain the medical and surgical management of glaucoma, 9 marks. So 2A is 2 marks, 2B 4 marks and 2C 9 marks. So 2 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to 15 marks. Third question. 3A, explain the various types of radiotherapy. 3B, list the side effects of radiotherapy. 3C, write a health education plan to be discussed with a patient undergoing radiotherapy. So 3A, explain the various types of radiotherapy. 3B, list the side effects of radiotherapy, and 3C is write a health education plan to be discussed with a patient undergoing radiotherapy. So this question carries 5 plus 3 plus 7 respectively. So the total is 15 marks. So out of these 3 essay questions, you have to answer only 2. 2 into 15, 30 marks. Next, write short notes on any 5 of the following. So each question carries 5 marks. 5 into 5, 25. So here they will be giving 7 questions. Out of those 7 questions, you have to answer only 5 questions. So let's see. The fourth question is nursing care of unconscious patient. Fifth question, principles of critical care nursing. Sixth question, CPR, that is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Seventh question, care during post-traumatic stress disorder. Eighth question, Guillain-Barré syndrome. Ninth question, palliative care. 10th question, complication of burns. So I repeat the questions. Fourth question, nursing care of unconscious patient. Fifth question, principles of critical care nursing. Sixth question, CPR. Seventh question, care during post-traumatic stress disorder. Eighth question, palliative care. Eighth question, Guillain-Barré syndrome. Ninth question is palliative care. And 10th question is complication of burns. So this session is what, 25 marks. Next, moving on to brief answers. So brief answers, there is no choice. You have to answer all the 10 answers. So from 11 to 20 it is brief answers. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. So 11th question, define paraplegia. 12th question, enlist the indications of lumbar puncture. 13th question, define Snellen chart. 14th question, list the cranial nerves. 15th question, define gene therapy. 16th question, name the different color codes during triage. 17th question, define rule of 9. 18th question, differentiate urethrocoel and rectocoel. 19th question, list the causes for abortion. 20th question, expand caution. Caution is nothing but a warning sign of cancers. Okay, it's an acronym. So 11th question, define paraplegia. 12th question, enlist the indications of lumbar puncture. 13th question, define Snellen chart. 14th question, list the cranial nerves. 15th question, define gene therapy. 16th question, name the different color codes during triage. That is, the triage means during emergency, what are all the color codes you have to use, that you have to write. Next, 17th question, define rule of 9. That is, the rule of 9 is in burns. Next, 18th question, differentiate urethrocoel and rectocoel. What is the difference between urethrocoel and rectocoel? Next is 19th question, list the causes for abortion. 20th question, expand caution. Caution is nothing but it is an acronym for cancer. So you have what is for C, what is for A, like that. So you have to study and you have to write it down. So this session 10 into 2, which is equal to 20 marks. So total marks is 75. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box, end card and suggested iCards. So if you want to watch more question paper related series, you can watch our channel playlist Bsc Nursing question paper, as well as my previous videos link with regard to nursing subjects I have given in the description box, as well as you can watch our channel playlist for more nursing related videos. A small request to the viewers, if you want key for this answer, for this question, answer key, kindly post it in comment section, so that in my future video for each question paper I can give an answer key, so that it will be very useful for you to prepare during your examination sessions. See, many are watching the video without subscribing, so a small motivation can be for us. If you are subscribing and if you are watching the video, we will be very happy, and we will be posting more videos in the near future. Thank you friends. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel.